Hey everybody, Happy New Year. It's me, Sissy, back today with my first Dollar Tree haul of 2021. And I got to say, I'm really happy to see the backside of 2020. It was not a great year for me, but we're going to make this a better year. So let's jump right into the haul. Okay, I got a few things in here, some really nice craft items, and just a few little normal everyday things. So we're going to go with my favorite thing, which was these Crafter Square Starburst gem stickers. Got the beautiful multicolored one and then the black and white, and these would be great if I see some more. I'll put them up. One of my DIYs for Christmas, I took these and just put it on a plain Christmas ball, and it was so pretty. So I'm going to try to stock up a little bit on these and maybe do my tree in them next year. Got to be thinking ahead for Dollar Tree. Then I picked up a couple of calendars, and of course I had to get the I Love Puppy ones for myself for my office, and since my guys work with trucks and things, I got one from them to use, and I had to get the Dunkin' truck one, so I think they'll get a kick out of it. But it was really cute. We use a lot of dump trucks and earth movers and stuff, so. But anyway, and I did pick up a few Valentine's things. They're not my favorite holiday, but I'm going to try to get a little more in the spirit of it this year and at least decorate a little bit. I've got some ideas for some DIYs, but I got the 24 pack of the red table scatter and the pinkish colored table scatter, and the little styrofoam letters that spell out love with some hearts. So I got those for a DIY. And then they have these great little wooden pallet signs that are heart-shaped. They have them going horizontal and vertical, so you can take your choice. And let's see, I got some ribbons to go on my car for Valentine's Day. And I got this cool little heart-shaped trinket box. So I might put a little Valentine's gift in that for somebody special, and you know who you are. I know you're listening or watching. And I picked up some more socks. I love Dollar Tree socks. And I got the 3-pack of the athletic, the white, the purple, and the pink. I think I got 2 packs of those. Yeah. So I love these socks. They're nice and thin. So I pick those up when I can. And I got the set of 3 Diamond Cosmetics nail files. I was going to get my nails polished, but that is kind of expensive going to get the manicure, so I'm trying to do it myself, and they're not quite as pretty as when I get them done professionally, but I am trying. So, and then I found these really cute little votive candle holders on the stands. And I think they're, let's see, I was going to look to see if they were Greenbrier, but I don't have my glasses on. But I thought those were really cute. I might try to use those in a DIY. And I got the cute little tin sign with the puppy dog paw on it that says love. They had some different ones. I'm trying to remember what the other one said. I can't remember right now. And then I picked up the little sign for my desk, I am very busy. I wish it would say, I am very busy, please go away. But maybe I can get that on there with my Cricut. I might try that, y'all. And I was able to find some of the Flower Cosmetics eyeshadow. That's Drew Barrymore's company. It's a nice gray shade. Got that. And the Hard Candy blush and bronzer duo. So we got that. And I picked up some Colgate toothpaste. That's my favorite from Dollar Tree, is the Colgate. And just 2 more things and I'm done. It's a very little haul. I haven't really been out that much since Christmas with, you know, the state of things going on. But I picked up the 3-pack of Scrub Buddies, the nice sponge on one side and scrubber on the other side, and some Secret name brand. I love Secret. This is the Powder Fresh deodorant. And I picked up the April Bath and Shower Spa hand and nail gloves. try to do myself my little home manicure, so I picked that up. But anyway, y'all, that is my little tiny Dollar Tree haul. My resolution, or not so much resolution, as a goal for 2021 is to use up all of the Dollar Tree things that I already have in my craft room, already have in my home, kind of declutter my life a little bit in my craft supplies and everything else. So y'all stay tuned to see how that goes for me. I'm going to try to have some more videos this year than last year, because last year was a really trying, difficult year for me, but maybe this year will be better. I'm hoping so. But anyway, y'all have a great day. Get out there, be safe, go shopping, make some New Year's goals, not resolutions, goals. Let's think positive. And anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.